In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the opacity of text in Affinity Photo. Opacity simply controls how transparent your text appears, which is great for subtle watermarks, elegant overlays, or letting an image show through your typography. Let's walk through it clearly and simply so you can get reliable results every time. Start by opening Affinity Photo and the document or image you want to work with. Give yourself a moment to glance at the right side of the interface. That's where the Layers panel lives, and we'll use it shortly. It helps to work on a copy of your file so you can experiment freely without worrying about losing your original. Next, choose the text tool from the toolbar on the left. Affinity Photo gives you two flavors: artistic text for short titles or logos, and frame text for paragraphs. Either will work for opacity, so pick the one that suits your layout. With the tool active, click and drag on your canvas to create a text area, or click once for a single line title, then type your text. Now, make sure the text layer you just created is selected in the Layers panel on the right. This is important. Opacity changes apply to the selected layer, so you want to target the text, not your background image. At the top of the Layers panel, find the opacity control. Drag the slider left to make the text more transparent, or enter a percentage value for precision. You'll see the change update live on your canvas, which makes it easy to dial in the exact look you want. A few quick tips as you adjust. Moderate settings, like 60 to 85%, often keep text readable while blending nicely with the image beneath. If your text becomes too faint, try increasing its weight or color contrast instead of pushing opacity too low. And remember, this keeps your text fully editable, no need to rasterize. That's all there is to it. Select your text, adjust opacity in the Layers panel, and refine until it feels just right.